This is it, my friend.
What's up, you guys? It is rally time. Coming from Tokyo, Japan. We're heading to Kobe today. We got my boy Steve right over here. Dave's back in the vlog.
What's up, guys?
Welcome to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. This is a pretty sick SLR. We have a very wide range of supercars.
Yes.
Some really cool luxury sedans.
So,
this is pretty fun. Have you ever done a rally here in Japan before?
I have, yes I have. I did a little bit of gumball rally in Japan.
No way!
Yes, sir.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, sir.
Dave, you got yourself a pretty fancy rally car here.
I like this thing, man.
Thanks to TokyoSupercars.com.
Yeah.
So if you guys come to Tokyo and you want to rent a car, you guys can go to the links in description.
And these guys got all sorts of cars. This is just one of the examples. This is an Avio edition Lamborghini Huracan.
This is gonna be our ride thanks to them. So make sure you guys go check them out.
We are off. What do you think? What do you think of driving in Tokyo?
When you're turning, it's the biggest mind mess because you're not sure, like, don't go to the right side of the road, go to the left, and your brain wants to go where you're used to, right? So that's the biggest adjustment. But being left-hand drive is actually easier.
Driving in a video game.
100%.
They have all these crazy markings on the road, those arrows in the corners.
I love it.
Dave.
Dude, we're moving to Japan.
We're not moving to Japan. Quick pit stop, you guys. We need to kind of get everybody back together. Conrad, how you doing, sir?
Yeah, well, very well. And you guys?
Oh, amazing. I mean, look at this weather.
Yeah, man.
So we got this this thing is crazy. Like, look at the paint on this. The way that it sparkles in the sun.
Wow.
Yeah,
Hey?
aired out right to the ground. And then look at this, a good shot of this Liberty Walk Huracan Spider with Winnie the Pooh. And Steve said
Amazing.
they like cute things here.
They do like cute things here. That's why they like me so much.
Heading towards Kobe today. Can't wait to get that up close and personal shot of Mount Fuji. Woo! There you go. Crazy. See how fast those go up and down? Just go, go, go. So they were saying that this is the worst stretch of freeway for the police. And Dave goes, well, how much is a fine here? And they said 10,000 yen, about $100 bucks. Dave goes, okay, so what's the problem?
Yeah. Gonna take the car away? No?
Whoa, Mount Fuji!
Whoa!
Look at that! What a view!
Whoa!
Yeah! We are at the entrance of a national park, so here we have to pay cash, which you have to give to me because it's on this side. Got $4 grand. I'm gonna make it rain on this lady. All right, here we go. Keep going? All right, keep going. Okay. Yep. Yes. Dude, where's our translator? She's yelling at us. I feel like I'm in trouble. Super sweet lady. She just means the good best intentions. Basically like, don't park here.
Yeah, get out of the way.
Yeah, get out of the way.
Gorgeous. Look at the cherry blossoms, man. This is what Japanese revere right here.
I'm gonna jump out right here and show you guys what's going on.
Wow.
Like,
Whoa! Thank you. Pretty epic rest stops on a rally. We got all the cherry blossoms. Look at the road. How it just curves up and around this mountain. I kid you not, I've driven a lot of places. Hands down, Japan is the most beautiful place on a sunny day like this with the cherry blossoms out. It's like snowing with all these supercars. I've literally got like goosebumps. This is just blowing my mind right now. Everybody who we've encountered are just beautiful people, and everyone's just been so amazing. If you've never been to Japan, it's like you have to come here. Steve was saying that the cherry blossoms, they only come out for a week at most of the time less. And they actually, as spring comes in, they progressively go throughout the country. So people here, in the Japanese, cherish these so much. There's so much meaning to this, more than we could probably even really understand. And they actually will travel and chase them through the country because they'll only be here for a few days.
They cut all these grooves, and I think if you drive at 40 kilometers an hour without the radio on, you'll hear the vibration play a song through the tires.
So
Through the
cool.
tires?
Yeah, it plays through the tires.
That better not be copywritten, or else we can't put it in the vlog.
All right, ready to roll? Let's do it.
And we're off.
Ready to roll, Roman? That's the gentleman who very graciously gave us the car to use. TokyoSupercars.com.
This is amazing, dude.
It is amazing. I don't even know what we're on. Holy!
Whoa, whoa! Where did that come from?
That's awesome. Have you ever been on anything like as beautiful as this? Anywhere, not just, obviously not just a rally, but insane, insane.
Packed lunch review here.
Look at this. What do we got?
We got a bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
We have a bottle of...
Looks like pudding.
It's got a cow on it though. Well, that could be because
Pudding?
of dairy. Dairy, yeah. Oh, it's a napkin. You got a napkin?
We got napkins and
Yeah, a sandwich and a banana, it looks like.
That looks
Now,
good.
here's a question. What kind of sandwich is it?
I don't know.
What's your prediction?
I don't know. Let's have a look. It's ham and cheese. That's good. It's good. I like it.
72 Nissan Skyline real GTR sitting down there. We gotta
This
go.
is the real deal. This is like $250,000 classic car.
This is the real Godzilla. This is where it all started, guys.
This right
The real
here.
deal.
Wow, this is so insane.
Look at this. He's got all the original old school Skyline GTR Owners Club from back in the day. The original emblem just faded out. But before Nissan was Nissan, do you know what the name of that company was before it was Nissan?
No idea.
Prince was the name of the company. It was Prince Automotive, or Prince Jidosha in Japanese is what they called it.
No way.
Right at this generation is when they started using the name Nissan. And in Japan, the word Datsun that we're used to in the States and North America wasn't used. It's just a Nissan. Datsun wasn't a brand like it is by us.
Boom, knowledge bomb. Right. I'm riding with the boys, the crew, the Rolls Royce. Ooh. This is comfortable. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you. Oh, it's so comfortable. I don't want to leave the Rolls Royce. Well, bro.
Dude.
Morohoshi and the crew have said goodbye. They are back on their way to Tokyo, and we are now on our way to Kobe. We have about 4 hours.
4 hours?
4 hours.
I can do it in 3 hours and 45 minutes. Flat.
15 minutes off, hey? Really gonna push this thing. We've got, oh, feels good to get out of that car for a minute. We're in some little town. I don't know where we are. Oh, Dave, look at this. World's smallest little race car. What is that?
Race car, bro.
Dude, where's the convenience store? I don't think they have a convenience store. What do we got here? Is this all they got here?
Oh, they got this is the best stuff in Japan right here. Look, you got black.
Dude,
You got tea.
I'm not drinking any
Energy
of this.
gym. Get energy gym.
We're gonna get some fuel in the cars, you guys. Grab some fuel, hit the road. We need a real convenience store with like real snack selections. Not that squid stuff again either.
Anything good?
Just iced coffee.
Iced coffee.
Oh,
What are you
I need
getting?
some iced coffee.
Iced coffee. What's this?
This is I don't even know what.
Too healthy.
It's way too healthy.
Some Red Bull.
Hangover drink.
Is that what that is?
What is that?
Yeah, hangover drinks.
For really?
Yeah.
What makes it? Oh, it's
Or
cold.
like these ones too.
How is that cold? Oh, it's like a refrigerated shelf.
You drink it before or after drinking.
What's that a picture of?
Liver.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You have a dirty mind.
Get the real gold.
I don't want no real gold.
Okay, get some sugar-free Red Bull. We're healthy, so we get sugar-free.
Oh. Yay.
Oh, dude. We're getting fried chicken. Fried chicken in Japan. Well, first I'm gonna start with my ice cream sandwich.
Okay, start healthy. And a Red Bull, because you're
And
smart.
a Red Bull. No, I'm gonna do the coffee first.
Oh, you doing the coffee
Goes
first?
better with the ice cream.
So good. Dude, change your life, change your life. You're a better person now, if that's possible.
This is like KFC in a little bag.
But better.
But no. Oh, she was so excited to see us. Well, not us, but the cars.
The cars. Yeah,
the
let's be
cars.
honest.
Oh, look at that! Whoa, dude, we're at like almost at the base of Mount Fuji.
I want to drive up that mountain right now.
Look at these kids.
What's up, guys?
So you guys, we got an amusement park out here. That's wild. Look at this amusement park with Mount Fuji as a backdrop.
Let's go.
You want to go?
No, I don't like rides.
You saw any floors it? Caught up to the rest of the crew. Oh, let's go check out this SLR. This thing is nuts. Now, that's an engine.
Damn.
Damn. This thing,
Wow.
small engine. Hey?
Well, it's deceiving because of all this like plenum right here for
Yeah,
the intake
yeah.
or whatever.
Yeah.
This is the engine back here.
Yeah, back here and under.
Yeah, let's pull it out.
Look how long that front end is. Steve, let's go. Let's just go. Oh, there he is. There he is.
What's up?
Oh, nothing. I was just saying we really need to wait for you.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah.
You have. But guess what? I've been waiting for you.
What do you mean?
I've been here for the last 45 minutes.
Dude, we were here for an hour.
Yeah, no.
He's a little amped up right now, you guys.
He is a
He's
little
amped
amped up.
Man.
That's the last time we
Give
did.
me some black. I need some black.
We'll give you some black already. Hey, you want a Red Bull?
Yes.
I got you. Boom.
Jeez.
All right, another gas station pit stop, but I noticed something quite funny. You guys are gonna get a kick out of this. Somebody fell asleep. She's out.
No, I'm actually.
Oh, busted. I like it, it's cool. You got full serve. They polish up your windshield, get all the bugs off, so you're good to go. What do you got? Oh, perfect.
You guys are dying.
I have
Lotion.
I needed this. I have a burnt forehead. You probably can't tell on camera, but I do. It's bad.
You need Nivea bad.
I need Nivea. Free plug.
Free plug.
What's he doing? Does he know that this window's tinted and that you can't? Oh, he's fingering me. Yeah, he knows.
Dave's getting on it. We're catching up to Steve. The RCF. What up? What up? There he is. The man. Yell at him. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Where's he going?
All right, guys, we've hit the point in the vlog where we got to try something unique and maybe weird from Japan. Pizza flavored potato chips.
Could be good.
Yeah.
Could be good.
Yeah.
Part of my reach.
So that's what they think pizza tastes like. That sign had a car with a parachute on behind it. I'm not even joking. I swear, bro. More tunnels. sun sets, we have this beautiful skyline in the background.
Skyline, get it? Japan skyline.
Oh, that's pretty good. I'll give you that one, Dave. When they said we were staying at a ski resort, I didn't think they meant like literally, but they meant literally. We are here. Bro, epic day.
Ah, we made it.
Epic day.
That was amazing.
Let's go get some drinks and food.
Yeah.
I wanted to race you for pink slip so bad on the car that you don't own.
I'll race you
and
for
the car that I don't own.
I'll race you for pink slip.
I wanted Dave.
Let's throw it down tomorrow.
All right.
We had a long but amazing day. Day one of World X Series Rally here in Japan. We saw Mount Fuji like a bazillion times and just kept getting bigger and closer and closer. Dave, you killed it. Good driving.
Hey, shout out to Tokyo Supercars for hooking up with that car. That thing is badass.
You guys, smash the subscribe button. DD merch is in the links in description. Shopdd.com. I'm having a hard time thinking because I'm hungry. I'm tired. I need a drink. We'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. It's about to get a lot crazier. We have another entire day. We're going to Kobe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Dave, end this vlog.
We out.